Hey everyone, happy Valentine's Day.
What?
I thought we were ready.
I thought you were starting off.
I did, that was my line. And then you go in.
Okay.
We wanted to share our template with you.
Okay.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Today we're going to be sharing our Notion wedding template with you guys.
What brought us to this wedding template is when we were planning a wedding, I liked everything to be printed out on a piece of paper.
So one of our friends got us the knot binder to put all of our contracts and correspondence and paperwork in.
But when we went to Georgia for our venue tour, I left it in Raleigh.
So what did I do? I took out the Notion app, I started taking down some notes, be it prices, different vendor information and whatnot, similar to what you'd have in the binder, but it was all in the Notion app.
And we realized this was a huge need that is really, there's not a lot out there for digital wedding planning process.
So we were able to track different email correspondence, contracts, the seating chart, guests list, the different prints we were putting out, because you know that there's a bunch of different marketing that you want to put out there, be it invites, save the dates, things like that.
And we kept it all on one spot so that we could then send it to our bridesmaids and groomsmen, so it was all on one page, everyone was on the same page, and it helped a lot with staying organized and honestly helped our wedding process be a little bit better.
Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you guys made it this far. If not, that's okay. We have a lot of notes in the template to help you along the way.
It helped us a lot, and we only want to help you through your wedding process as well.
And again, happy Valentine's Day.